In this video, I will show you how to fix League of Legends. A critical error has occurred. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So the first thing you can do to resolve the problem is to go ahead and delete the WR Games folder. So to do this, you need to open your file manager, and then in here, go ahead and navigate into the destination that I'll show you in this notepad. So copy this destination and make sure to change your username into your username. So set that into this section, and then the folders under this section should appear. So make sure to delete the entire folder under this section. So I'll need to change my username into the username that I have for the correct folders to pop on the results. And then after you do this, you need to restart your computer and relaunch League of Legends. So if this doesn't work, another thing you can do to resolve the problem is to repair League of Legends. So we just need to close this tab first, and then repair League of Legends through opening the Riot Games launcher. So click on League of Legends on Riot Games launcher, and then locate the settings icon and select repair. Wait for the process to complete and then restart the game. Now if this doesn't work as well, another thing you can do is to disable game overlay in Discord. Open Discord and then select user settings on Discord. So click on that settings icon at the bottom left of your screen, and then in here go ahead and head over to the game overlay settings. So you should be able to find that at the left sidebar of your screen if you have the Discord app on your PC. So you need to toggle off enable in-game overlay and then restart your PC and launch League of Legends again. So that's basically the 3 ways for you to fix League of Legends. A critical error has occurred. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.